Hey everyone, today's topic is perfume and flavoring agent, and the definition of perfume is the substance which is made from natural and synthetic combination and employed for creating pleasant odor is known as perfume. As an example, lemon oil, sandalwood, they are the example. And then flavoring agent is the substance which are used to give flavor to the pharmaceutical formulation. As example, lemon oil and orange oil, then lemongrass oil, etc. Today we learn about lemon oil. Okay, the synonym of the lemon oil is Cortex limonis. The biological source is lemon peel is the outer part of the ripe or nearly ripe fruits of Citrus limonas. The family is Rutaceae. The family is Rutaceae. The geographical source is it is indigenous to the North India. Basically, it's found in North India. It's also cultivated in Spain, Italy, and Sicily in a large scale. Other than California, Florida, Jamaica, Australia, and in India, it is cultivated in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Microscopic study. Here, color is yellowish. Fresh lemon peel. The outer surface is bright green yellow, and dried peel when it is dried, and the color getting the outer surface is yellow and inner surface is pithy white. Okay. Then odor is strong, fragrant, aromatic, and characteristics. Taste is aromatic and bitter. Size is 5 to 7 cm of length, and peels are irregular in shape. Chemical constituents. Lemon peel contain volatile oil from 2 to 4%, and constituents of the peels are hesperidin, pectin, calcium oxalate, and bitter substance. Volatile oil of the drug contain mainly limonene about 9% and citral about 4%. Outer aromatic compound like acetate and terpenol is present. In uses, it is as a carminative and stimulant, and oil is used as a perfume and flavoring agent. The oil is also used for extraction of pectin and volatile oil. So here it is the lemon oil. Next is orange oil. The synonym of the orange oil is orange cortex because it's found from orange. Okay, the biological source is orange peel is dried or fresh outer part of the pericarp of the ripe or nearly ripe fruit of Citrus aurantium, and the family is same as lemon oil is Rutaceae. Next is the geographical source. It is the indigenous to India. It is also cultivated in South Spain, Caribbean island, USA, Morocco, and Sicily. In India, it is cultivated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, West Bengal, and Kashmir. Under cultivation and collection, the orange trees are evergreen plants, or they are 7 to 8 meter in a length. In India, it is specifically cultivated in the warmer and moist region like Khasi Hills in Assam and central India around Nagpur. It grows in loamy soil with adequate arrangement of irrigations. The plants are cultivated by sowing the seeds or by grafting or cutting method. Generally, grafting method is the adopted for cultivation. The plants start bearing after 5 to 6 years, and when the fruits are just ripe with orange spots, they are picked up with hands, taking care that oil glands are not ruptured. The juice is taken out and used in the food industries, and the peel are treated to extract the oil for the dried and preserved for the further uses. Next is microscopic study. In this, color is dark orange to red. Odor is aromatic. Taste aromatic and bitter because of the peel. And then is size. The strip or the ribbons are varying size and shape. They are about 3 to 4 mm in thickness. The strips are brittle with the little of the inner white portion of the rind. Okay. Outer surface is rough due to the presence of numerous small pits of oil glands. the fracture is short. In chemical constituents, orange peel contain volatile oil from 2.5%, which is active constituents of the drug. It is also contain other compounds like hesperidin, isohesperidin, neohesperidin, and vitamin C and pectin. The beta substance present in the drug are glycosidal compound known as aurantiamarine and aurantiamaric acid. Aurantiamarine and aurantiamaric acid. Volatile oil of the drug contain about 90% of limonene and small percentage of aldehydes, chiefly citral and citronellal. The uses are orange peels are used as a stomachic, aromatic, carminative, and the pharmaceutically it is used for flavoring agent for several liquid preparation and also for the extraction of pectin.